You say slow down. I don't like to move too fast and drowns the truth with things that are not real, and I really want us to be real with love that lasts. In the past I messed up, gave too much.
Hey, good day, one and all. It's lunchtime. Let me see what I got for today. Chicken fettuccine Alfredo with broccoli. Check it out. No, I'm not endorsing healthy meals. It's got 21 grams of protein and 280 calories. Let me see. The only thing I don't like is the sodium, man. It's always like 500, which, see, I don't use salt. So this is the only time I really get my salt. Saturated fats, 2.5 grams. Trans fat, 0. Polyunsaturated fat, 2.5. Mono saturated fat is 2.5. Cholesterol, 45 milligrams, that's 15%. Sodium at 500 and some God. That's the only thing I don't like. Total carbs, 31 grams. Dietary fiber, 4 grams. Total sugars, 2 grams. Protein, 21 grams. Calcium, 100 milligrams. Iron, 1.6 milligrams. Potassium. No, I'm sorry, calcium is 100 milligrams. Potassium is 760 milligrams. Vitamin A, 4, and vitamin C, 10%. Yeah, I'm here all alone for the next couple of days. They went to Louisiana for that all-star game, baseball game. Which my grandson will be in. He's going to be the designated bench warmer, probably. I don't know, man. Put this in for 5 minutes. What the F? That is disgusting. Why do people... Probably one of the kids. This is not a storage space. It's a microwave. Rocket scientist. That's like really nasty, man. It's all brutal. It's either ADD or, I don't know, man. They do that a lot. Not all. No. I have to throw this trash out, though, because it's going to stink. Look at it. Look like something with, let me turn this around. Look like a tuna fish or something. I wish I knew it was in there. I already started the dishwasher. It'll be for another day. Yeah. The shepherd's stressing out. My buddy. Right? You stressing out? Yeah, he keeps on walking around looking for people. Oh well, he's young. He'll get over it, right? The diet, I cheated, okay? I cheated on my, getting out of the trash. I cheated on my diet yesterday. Was it yesterday? Yeah, yesterday went to Walmart to get some stuff. I had to get some soap for when I get a bath. And I walked by the aisle, so I walked down the aisle where they had potato chips. Potato chips and ice cream is my week. my week, you know, Achilles heel. But I got the kettle cook with olive oil and sea salt. I got 2 bags, but I did give them one. They said they could take them, but they didn't take it. So I got this bag here. It's the Cape Cod kettle cooked potato chips, sea salt, and vinegar. Oh, hi. Yes, I like sea salt, and yes, I like vinegar. I haven't drank any sodas. I think the average is like 2 to 3 cups of coffee a day. Black coffee with fake sugar. It works for me, you know. Yeah, I know I look haggard. Hey, I haven't gotten a shower or nothing yet. So, did all this, washed this stuff up. Yeah, they got up at like, I guess between midnight and, they were out the door after 2. And I guess they were like trying to get down something before they left. They took off. You got 2 toddlers and you got 2 teenagers. And it's like an 8-hour ride, I think. How much? I don't remember, man. So, good times for them, I guess. I don't know. I mean, yeah, I took that ride plenty of times. But not with kids. When I was in a truck. But yeah, they're gonna. I wonder how many times. You keep it up, I'm gonna turn this car around. No, you're not. Stop. I doubt they said it. Brandon is kind of, he's like a really calm person. You know what I mean? He knows how to ignore things. And Kristen kind of is. To a point. Not me. Well, to a point. Yeah, when they start getting like the yelling and you don't need to be yelling in a car. You don't need to be yelling. $38 more seconds left. Yeah, I don't understand why they do that. Microwaves are not meant for storage, man. So for the next couple of days, I'm going to be here all by myself. Got the 2 adopted children. The shepherd keeps on walking around from upstairs to downstairs. I guess he's looking for them. I don't know. I don't know. It's going to be fun. Right, buddy? Tell you, these things are hot. Ow, 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 ow. Damn. Yeah, I know I should wear some type of gloves, but I don't. I don't have them. Well, they have them, but I'm just too lazy to get them. Here we go. Let me bring the camera down. Don't know if you're going to see that. Got broccoli in it, which is a good thing. All I got to do is pour it into this sauce. Now, I usually let it sit, man. I let it sit. I was thinking about getting some chicken breasts, boneless chicken breasts, boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I was going to cook them off and just eat them next couple of days. It would be ideal since nobody's here. Because let me tell you what, man. As I stated before in the past, once anything goes into that refrigerator, it's basically gone. You know what I mean? You got one guy likes to doing the. He thinks he's getting away with it, okay? But what he likes to do is he comes down here late at night and he raids the refrigerator, but he thinks nobody knows it's him. He ain't that smart, man. He ain't that smart. He gets caught every time. Well, he doesn't get caught, but automatically you know who did it. You know who did it. All right, I'm going to go into the bedroom. I'll be right back, man. Back in the bedroom, as you can see. And I got to let that cool down, man. You got to let it cool down. It's hot. So I usually let it cool down for about 5 minutes. And then it's not so hot. All right. Well, it's been sitting a few minutes, man. It should be cool enough. You know, these don't taste too bad. It is what it is. Let me fix this. Look like shit. There we go. Yeah, I know I look haggard. Oh, wait, bung that up. Not bad. Not bad at all. Yeah, usually my lunch is the heavy meal. Also, I got my Central Silver vitamin. I'm good to go. Well, that was my daughter. I asked her to text me when she gets where they're going to Arkansas. The B&B's in Arkansas, which is like an hour or so away from where everything's being held. It's everything that, I believe it's Monroe, West Monroe, I believe. I'm not sure that's where the games will be held. But the B&B's in Arkansas are a lot cheaper than they are in that area because they're having their all-star games. So they raise the prices. They always do that. Not just there, but everywhere. All right, man, I'm going to let you all go. I'm going to eat my meal. Then I'll get myself and get a shower. And everything will be good. Oh, also, we got a live stream, Miles and myself, tonight at 8 p.m. East Coast Standard Time tonight. Everybody knows 8 a.m. tomorrow, or what's today? Today's Thursday, Friday, Philippine Standard Time. They're 12 hours ahead. So I'll let you all go. If you got this far, I do appreciate you. You can give me a thumbs up. Can you subscribe if you're not subscribed? Hopefully you gotten this far. You didn't bail after the exchange rate. Out of my control. I can't do a damn thing about it. And I will talk to you tonight. Bye for now.